My gators, good morning. I'm getting ready to create some pie crust, and this is my sweet pie crust. So we have my sugar, we have salt, we have shortening, and we have my milk. You can do water. I'm gonna show you the basics, but I'm gonna tell you why I add the extras to make it a little oomph, give it a little bit more oomph. And this is old school. Some people may not want to use shortening. Butter works well, it tastes good, but shortening gives it a flakier and just a different texture. It's just very old school. So that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need shortening, salt, water, sugar, and flour. So let me measure everything out and I'll be right back. You want your shortening to be cold, so that's why I put that in the refrigerator, and the milk, which is my almond milk with some ices in there, that's why it looks so diluted. So this is 2.5 cups of flour. Don't need to sift it or anything. Gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. I do prefer the pastry mixer, and then once it starts to get crumbly, I like to use my hands because it's just better with your hands because you can actually feel the dough. And this makes 2 pie crusts, and now we just put it on some parchment, wrap it in some cling wrap, and then we're going to take it and place it in the refrigerator for about, I say, an hour, a couple hours, at least 2 to 3 hours, no more than that. You should be fine. And then it's just time to roll it out. I have different rolling pins, and depending on the texture of the pie crust, sometimes the marble one works well. I think the marble one works well when it's like a softer texture and I don't have to press down. I'm afraid I might break the wood between the marble because it's not connected. So I like to use my handy dandy stainless steel one. As you'll see, it rolls out much better. So you're just gonna roll it out. And as you'll see, I'll take the pie pan that I use. I don't use aluminum pie pans from the store. I use only glass. I love this. I've had this for several years and it's been rocking and rolling, and it rolls out so much better. And you're going to take your glass pan, put it down, and that's going to let you know that it's big enough. And then you lay it in there, take off the excess, and you do the old school pinching. And guess what? Add your filling. Now, if you want to do a pie that needs the crust to be baked first, you could bake it first. And you can always put this in the freezer, or you could bake it first and then add your filling, as I'm going to do. So that's how you make a old school, old fashioned pie crust. Talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. And guess what I am making? Guess what I'm making inside mine? Guess what I'm making? Yes, yes, yes. Homemade sweet potato pies. That's what I'm making. Later, gators.